Evening to all, dear student. Welcome to my another video regarding the lesson number 2, class 10 science, that is acid, base and salt. Okay, so in my previous video I was discuss the last topic, it was indicator. Today I will discuss the chemical properties of acids and bases. Okay, so how does acid and base react with metals? First I will discuss. So when acid react with base, then it will produce salt and water. For example, say you have taken you are allowing sodium metal to react with HCl, then it will produce NaCl, that is salt plus hydrogen gas. But keep it in your mind, acids are generally not allowed to react with the metals like sodium and potassium, because these are very reactive acids and there is a chance for bursting. That means there is a chance of accident. That's why acids and the metals like sodium and potassium are not allowed to react. But it will react. But what will be the general concept? General concept will be that when acid react with metal, then it will produce salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, whatever the acid and whatever the salt metal, as a general, the product will be when acid and metal react with each other, then the product will be salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, after that same thing will happen in case of bases also. When base react with metal, then it will produce salt and hydrogen gas. For example, sodium hydroxide when react with zinc, then it will produce Na2Z and O2, which is called sodium zincate, and hydrogen gas is produced. So we are able to understand that when acid and base react with metal, then it will produce salt and water. That will be the general concept, and I have explained it with you with different example, so that it will be easy to you to understand. Okay, next, I have already told you that when acid or base react with metal, then it will produce hydrogen gas. But how can you detect, how can you confirm it that hydrogen gas is produced? So if you bring a burning stick near to the bubbles of hydrogen gas, then you will hear a pop sound. That will confirm that gas which is produced during the reaction of acid and base with metal, hydrogen gas. Okay, so like by doing this type of activity, you can confirm whether the gas is hydrogen or not. Okay, so I hope the concept will be clear to all, that when acid and base react with each other, then they will produce salt and hydrogen gas. Okay.